Good morning, students. The third type of control and coordination that takes place in individuals is chemical control and coordination. In chemical control, it is done by means of special chemicals called hormones. Hormones are released by various glands in the body. These glands are located at different points. For example, in the head, there are present hypothalamus, pineal, pituitary, 3 glands. In the neck region are present thyroid, parathyroid. In the chest there is present thymus. Above the kidneys is present adrenal gland. Just below the stomach is pancreas. These glands, they are similar in males and females, and their location, the hormones secreted by them and the functions controlled by them are also similar. There is difference in one gland, that is the reproductive gland or the reproductive organs, which also act as glands. In males these are the testes, and in the females these are the ovaries, which secrete the sex hormones. So these are the glands. We will discuss them one by one. You will prepare a table on double page like this. Name of the gland, location of the gland, where it is located in the body, name of the hormone secreted by the gland, and then the function of these hormones. What are the functions controlled by these hormones? The first gland is thyroid gland, which is located in front of larynx, that is, it is located in the neck region in front of voice box. The hormone released by it is called thyroxine. Thyroxine controls BMR, that is the basal metabolic rate of the body. Basal metabolic rate means जो एक रिदम है बॉडी का, एक बेसिक स्पीड है कि हार्ट बीट 72 times per minute, rate of respiration will be 12 to 14 times per minute, this much amount of blood will be filtered by the kidneys per cycle. So all these are included in basal metabolic rate. So thyroid controls basal metabolic rate. It also controls the functioning of kidney, and deficiency of thyroid, this thyroxine hormone in the body, it leads to a disease called goiter. Second gland is parathyroid gland. Parathyroid gland is located behind the thyroid. It is located behind thyroid gland. The hormone released by it is called parathormone, and the major function is it controls the phosphorus and calcium amount in the body. Its major role is phosphorus and calcium balance in the body. The third gland is thymus. Thymus is located near the heart. It releases a hormone called thymosin. Thymosin, it regulates overall growth of the body. It helps in development of lymphocytes. What are lymphocytes? They are special type of WBCs, which we have done already, and these help in increasing the resistance to infections, because WBCs are part of immunity system, or these lymphocytes, they help our tendency to fight against diseases and infections. Next gland is the pineal gland. Pineal gland is present in the roof of the brain, and it secretes a hormone called melatonin. Melatonin, it controls the amount of melanin. What is melanin? Melanin is a skin pigment. Skin pigment which provides color to our skin. अगर इसका अमाउंट ज़्यादा रिलीज होगा तो मेलानिन का तो स्किन कलर विल बी डार्कर, and if it is secreted in lesser amount then skin color will be lighter.